we've got a couple of things we can mark off, right? Mm-hmm. Not that anybody can see what's on our list. But the bathroom floor is done.
Sweet.
As is the bedroom paint. Bam.
Okay. The toilet's technically half done.
One mark.
Yeah.
Yep. Almost there. The closet floor just is technically done. Finished that.
Okay.
I have to do the trim in the entire bathroom now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 marks. Let me give you kind of an idea of what we've been going through. So when I decided to take on this task, it's just a few things that we can do, and it'll be a surprise for Lee, and it's wonderful. So we didn't anticipate the floor. We didn't anticipate, you know, I haven't even got to the plumbing yet. We're not even going to discuss that until we have to jump into that problem. But it's taken a lot longer than I anticipated, mainly because it's not like I can't work on it every day. I have to work. A lot of times I'm working late, so I'm working on it a few minutes here and there whenever I can. And that's made it very frustrating, I think, is the word I'm looking for, because I want to see more progress, and we're like stuck at a certain point because I can't dedicate, you know, 3 solid hours to the next step. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited to see progress. Please don't eat the paint. I have a helper. Chipsy, Chipsy, Chipsy Lee. I have a Chipsy Lee helper. She says, I have a green tail. I like the green paint. It's very pretty. I look good in green. You do, baby girl. You do look good in green. You do. First board is on. It's just nailed at both ends and currently being held by what is that called? Water thingy. Technical terms only. And I think I like the idea of them being nailed at the side and then just glued up the center. And I happen to have some liquid nails. This is the only one I'm going to have to do this one with because the other walls will have bracer boards to nail into. This one I can't because I really can't come out from the wall any farther than the width of this beadboard, because otherwise it affects where the toilet sits on the flange. Don't need that problem. So let me go ahead and slap some glue on the wall. All right. My gun is jammed. 4 boards in, and my gun is jammed. Fix the nail gun. It was a jam. Now it's happy and back together. Finally. Let's do a few more rows. We're almost ready to put the toilet back in. We have to do some trimming in here. So, trimmer on the edge of the floor, clean up, install a toilet. I'm not going to let you watch the trimming part because trimming is probably the one thing that I would rather poke my eye out than do. So, we'll come back after the cussing's done and those are back in. Okay? We're going to fix the flange, I think. Essentially, you're supposed to slide the replacement portion under the broken flange, which would seat it underneath the flange. Make sure you have the screw already in there, the bolt. And then this anchors it to the flange, theoretically, I'm guessing. Now, I've looked at this, and I'm a little concerned. Let me show you why. We're going to bring it to my level. This will get a great shot of the poopy hole in the floor. This is my problem at the moment. There's really not much gap underneath this flange and the concrete, but there's enough gap to slide this under. However, my new flooring prevents me from fully getting it under there. So, as I get really, really close to this, you'll see that I cannot seem to get it under the flange. Normally, when I'm hugging the toilet hole like this, it's because I do not feel good. Right now, I don't feel good. It's nasty, it's yucky, and I think I'm gonna try to manhandle it. Do you see now what my problem is? This should be under the thingy, not on top of the thingy. But I don't have room to get it under the thingy. Install a toilet, she said. At least we'll be able to mark something off our list, she said. She's not down here working on it, is she? I know it's just wax. I know it's just wax. Oh, dear God. I was not meant to be. If I puke directly in the sewer line, will it still go down? So close, yet so far away. It's fine. It'll grow back. You have got to be kidding me. Well, let's go from toilet flange repair to toilet flange decimation. Let's take it out completely.